Hi guys! Welcome back. Kung napansin nyo na medyo nawala ako rito for almost 2 weeks, yes, I took a quick step back and a much needed break. Una-una, naging super busy talaga ako sa bahay. Round the clock as a stay-at-home mom. Alaga sa pamilya, gawaing bahay, at ang daming inaasikaso. But aside from that, the daily hustle, honestly, sumamali talaga yung pakiramdam ko. Dumating na naman kasi yung phase na sinusumpong ako ng stress. Yung tipong sobrang daming tumatakbo sa isip ko all at once. At pakiramdam ko, napaburn out na yung katawan at isip ko. So, I decided to hit the pause button. Sinadya ko talagang mag-focus muna sa sarili ko at magpalakas. Minsan kasi biglang ganun Bilang isang nanay, nakakalimutan natin na tao rin tayo. Napapagod at kailangan din magpahinga. We always give our best to everyone else, pero forget to save some for ourselves. But I realized we can't pour from an empty cup. To take care of my family, I have to take care of myself first. I'm slowly getting my energy back. And I'm just taking things one day at a time. Thank you so much sa inyong mga nag-check-in at nag-antay. I'm back, refreshed, and ready to share more everyday life moments with you again. Love you all, and don't forget to take care of yourselves today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And please like and share.